Ever wondered if AI could make a full game trailer for me in just a minute? It's sweet. Let's see if Higgsfield can do it.
Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you something crazy. Can AI really make a gaming trailer? Can it also make a good and realistic fighting movie? Say yes. Today I'm going to show you how to create a movie with AI and a gaming trailer for gamers. What we need is an idea, the script or a prompt, the visuals, then the edit. So an idea is by you. You have an idea of creating a video. The script is the prompt. Just go to ChatGPT, ask for the script. ChatGPT will just write for you. The visuals, then I urge you to use Higgsfield AI Click 2.6 audio. So the edit is the video editor. Let's say CapCut, UCut, KineMaster, or any editor that you like to use. So without wasting time, let's go to another screen. I'll show you how to use Higgsfield AI King 2.6 audio to create realistic gaming trailers and fighting scenes. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. So first of all, I'm going to chat GPT to create the prompt. So I'm going to say prompt for a gaming trailer. I place dragging the games then to create the trailer. Then boom, ChatGPT creates a prompt. As you see, I'm going to scroll down like this. Then I'm going to copy this prompt. After copying, then we are going back to Higgsfield. So press the link in the description to go to the Higgsfield. So right now I'm in Higgsfield AI website. So after here, you're gonna click on this option to create an image. So create an image for our game trailer. So click on it, this one, then click on next. Then we're gonna choose general. I like using general because generalizes your prompt and video ideas. So we are here, we are ready to paste our prompt. So click here to choose aspect ratio. I like YouTube style, so I'm going to choose 16:9. Then after the prompt, after you paste the prompt, you're gonna click generate, then the photos will be generated. Then here is where we paste our prompt. Then so I'm going to paste the prompt we copied from ChatGPT. You paste it there. Then finally you're gonna click on generate. Then after that, the images are in queue. So we're gonna wait for some minutes or some seconds. Then the images will be generated automatically. As you see, the image has been created. As you see, this one. So we're gonna use this image to generate a video. So I'm going to download the image. So click the download button to download this image like that. So our image has been downloaded. So I'm going back to create now a video using that image. So I'm gonna go back, then I'm gonna choose this one, videos. So we go to videos, then I'm gonna scroll down and choose Clean 2.6 because it's the best of me. So I have clicked on Clean 2.6. So I'm going to use general, then I'm going to upload the image. So I'm going to upload the image we created. So click on upload, this one. Then I'm gonna choose the image. Let's say I choose the first one, the image you have been creating. So we create an image, then we upload it. So after it's uploading, I'm going to paste our prompt here. So it takes time because I created a high quality image, an image that takes more than 6 MBs. Imagine guys, AI is very good, this Higgsfield AI. So let me paste the prompt here. Then after upload is finished, so it is still uploading because it's high quality, so it takes time for this AI to compress the image to fit there. So after some seconds, the image is now uploaded. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure that I have choose Screen 2.6. As told earlier, is the best. So choose Screen 2.6 model. Then the aspect ratio. Make sure the audio is turned on. The aspect ratio 1 is auto. Then the number of seconds you want your video to be generated. It takes the 5 or to 10 seconds only. So after that, I'm gonna click on generate. So we'll click on generate. We generate our clip. Then we're gonna give time for the AI to generate the video. So first of all, the video will be in a queue. As you see here, the video is in a queue, guys. So after in queue, it will say in progress. So for now, you see it is in a queue. Then after some seconds, it say in progress. So give it time for the AI to create the video depending on the prompt you gave it. So you're gonna go to library to see your videos, then you're gonna click on this plus sign to create new video while the one is being created. Then you're gonna see your profile, the community you have, your friends, then they're gonna click here to go back home and start creating a new video or image. So after a couple of minutes, then this is the video I have created with the AI. As you see, it is this one. So you just need a photo, you create a photo, you get a prompt from the ChatGPT, then you come and paste for the AI, then it creates a video for you. So click here, download the video, then you're gonna get an editor to make your video. So let's see the video how is this. So let's see video with the sound. So this is the final video I got.
Ever wondered if AI could make a full game trailer for me in just a minute? It's sweet. Let's see if Higgsfield can do it.
You're gonna repeat the same process with the other scripts. You create an image, then the same prompts creates a video through that image. After a couple of minutes, I joined my clips, then come up with a gaming trailer, and it's this one.
Ever wondered if AI could make a full game trailer for me in just a minute? It's sweet. Let's see if Higgsfield can do it. Have some gameplay from a gunshot strikes D. Let's see what the AI can do with it. For the fun part, I'm telling the AI to create an epic cinematic trailer, intense boss fight scene with explosions, epic background music. Fast pace, let's generate. Whoa, look at that. The AI just made that cinematic explosion scene. This is insane. And here's the final trailer from raw gameplay to full cinematic. Look at those transitions.
If you want to try Higgsfield on your game clips, check out the link in my description. It's super easy and fun.
I want us next to create a movie. Let's do it. So go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. So my prompt is, let's create a simple fighting interesting realistic movie using AI. Each clip 10 seconds and 5 clips needed. Now AI has given me this prompt. So it has given me an image prompt and a movie prompt. So I'm going to copy the image prompt, then I'm going back to Higgsfield, then I'm going to click on create image. I like creating images first, then I use the images to create the videos. So I'm going to click on the create image, then I'm going to wait for load, then I'm going to choose general, then I'm going to paste my prompt here. Then after that I'm going to click and choose this aspect ratio. So I'm going to use TikTok style, so I'm going to choose 9:16. Then after that I'm going to click on this option to generate the video. So I'm going to wait for generate to be completed. Now the image is created. So click on this plus sign to create the video now. Then click on the video. Then we have more options to create the videos, more models. We have Sora, Banana, they have Kling 2.5, but I urge you to use Kling 2.6. So Kling 2.6, this one is the best. So I'm going to choose the Kling 2.6 right now. Then I'm going to upload the image you have created. So I'm going to click here, the image, then I paste the prompt. So then you choose King 2.6 aspect ratio, the duration of the video, then we click generate. So let me upload the image. So uploading the image, then I'm going to copy the prompt from ChatGPT, a prompt for the movie now. The first one was for the image, for the movie. So I'm going to paste the movie prompt here. Now I click generate, then I'm going to wait for results. So it will go in a queue as usual. It goes in a queue, analyze it, so that AI analyzes the video, then it is in progress now. After the minutes, this is the video now, guys. AI has created the video already. So this one, see how realistic it is? Imagine. Even somebody cannot imagine this AI. So I created another clips first, as you see guys. Then after that, these are the final results now. If you are a gamer or a content creator, then you need to try this one. Just check the link in the description and try Higgsfield AI by yourself. Get free credits by using my promo code, which I was given by Higgsfield, so that you get free credits to create these videos. Let me see in the next video.